Hi, this is a brief summary of yesterday's trades. Just want to give you some idea of US markets. Uh, I was looking at charts for the last few days. Everything is going down. Microsoft, this is Microsoft going down. This is Netflix going bit of down and up. Facebook, sorry, IBM going very down, and Nvidia also going down. So down means you have to buy put. Now, what I did was, this is actually the activity window. So I'll go to the part, basically starts from here at 9 p.m. my time, which is morning in US. I just went and bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 companies, puts. P stand for puts. And this is the price at which I bought: 145, 260, 115, 190, 330. Why these prices? Because they were much below the share price. Now, how do you buy a put? It's very simple. Suppose I go to trade. Now, this is Facebook. As you see, Facebook dropped by $13 yesterday. That means there's a massive fall. So when you open the option table, you will see a line which will indicate the share price. Now, this is the closing price at 303. So this is 303 here, between 305 and 3. So anything which is, this side is put, this side is call. Always remember, puts are when the price market is going down, you buy that. Call when the market is going up. Now these are all high value. Means to buy one, you need to spend $2,315. Multiply this by 100, because one option is 100 shares. So this is quite out of reach, like, and risky also. So what I did was, I go much below this price of the current, and let's say I go to 250, which is way below that. And this is now reasonable, $289 for one option. If I go further down, it's $200 per option. So what I did was, I went for these 4 big companies or 5 big companies, which are well known: Apple, Microsoft, IBM, Netflix, and Nvidia. And I bought the puts at 350 to 235, 135, 232, and 147. And I waited from 9 till I sold them at 11 my time. So as you can see, Apple, it closed, when I sold it, it was $179 per option, and I had bought it at 147. So it's a gain of about $30, $40. Similarly, Microsoft, 232, I sold at 322, $90 profit. All of them went up, and collectively it was 289 plus, which I sold because I didn't want to wait longer. Since the market sometimes go up, like I might have sold it somewhere here, it went up, but then again it went down. So when I checked, I could have added another $80 to my profit, but I just sold it here. Same with IBM, it went down. Then when it started rising again, I sold it, but then it ultimately went even further down. Anyway, that's all. You learn from experience. So put is something which is simple to do. Suppose you have this trading account, you can, open any company, Apple, for example, AAPL, and press enter. Now you see Apple at 162 closed. It was $2.10 down the whole day. The 162 means here, 162. All these are like big amounts. So I chose Apple. If I can show you, when I bought Apple, it was at 145 put. So going back to trade, I go to 145 is this line. So I bought it at 182. It is closing at 182. Okay. This is the put. So 182 it is closing. And at what price did I buy? I bought Apple at 179. and it closed at 182. I sold at 179. It closed at 182. So around $3 more it must have gained me, but I didn't wait for that. But I had bought it at 147. See, because it was going down from 147, the price of put went up to 179. And if I put MSFT, Microsoft, press enter. Now here I'll show you how much I could have waited. Now it's closed at $385. $385 it closed. The put at 260. And I sold Microsoft at 232, 285 to 232, $50 it gained. So whereas I had bought it at 232. So 232 to 285, like good amount, So anyone 322 I sold, so it's 385 there. Idea is, just if someone is new, you don't need a lot of knowledge, you just see the trends. And it's always, when I buy, I will buy it for a couple of weeks down the road, like 18th February, it is expiring. So I could have waited up till 18th, but chances are that if the market takes up, I will lose money everywhere. So being a day trader, I just buy and then wait till the end and sell. So $300 to $89 is a good amount. It's like 20,000 rupees. And other thing is, I just bought one. Suppose I had bought 10 of each, my profit would have been $3,000, which is like a good income. Hope it helps. Anyone has any questions, let me know.